back to another POV video. I actually filmed this video already. Didn't come out as planned, so I had to re-record it for y'all. Hopefully it comes out right this time. Guys have a GoPro, they're super tricky. Hold on. If y'all have a GoPro, man, I don't know, mine for some reason recorded in HD, but it was super fast forwarded. Fingers crossed it doesn't happen this time. Looks like you guys like the first POV I did in the Porsche. I just, like I said, I don't have an exhaust on that vehicle yet. Let me know if you guys like that one, if you like the just chill drives versus, you know, the exhaust. Obviously, this beast I have, I feel like you guys are going to enjoy this one a bit more. Hopefully y'all can hear me as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and get for this ride. I'm gonna try not to talk too much this time, only because I don't know, you know, whether if I'm gonna talk on these or not yet. But I am definitely about to go ahead and crack this window so y'all can hear it a little better. I hope y'all can hear that spool, turbo spool. Y'all are new to the channel, the car is twin turbo, upgrade turbos, full bolt-on, downpipes in the cooler, full tune, 85. It's actually not on 85 at the moment. That's probably gonna be the next video. People looking at me like, why does he have this big ass camera on his head? Mind you, I have, my tint is dark, but it's still damn see me if you look at me. It's not that dark. Try to go ahead and catch some highway action for y'all. Don't forget to like this video, man. I see the POVs going crazy. Decided why not start making them. You know, I love driving. Take you guys along with me. Hopefully we can run into us a quick race today. Go ahead and get us to the highway. Yeah, I'm gonna get us to the highway because it looks like it's gonna be a little traffic this way. traffic, so I'm gonna cut it back on the highway. Kid you not, I jumped right there one time before. GoPro ride, on this ride, my GoPro has died 3 times, bro. Like, what the fuck? Like, y'all gotta get me right, man. You gotta tell me what equipment, better GoPro. I don't know if it's my GoPro or me at this point. Hopefully this footage comes out right. Fingers crossed. So y'all can hear it a little better. The street might be better though, because it's police all on this highway right now. Back here in this area, there's police everywhere. Literally. I don't like this area too much, honestly. At this point, this thing has died on me for the 3rd time. So before I waste time trying to record for you guys again, I'm just gonna get out in the video right here, I believe. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out more of my content. I just uploaded POV 2 days ago. Yesterday I uploaded a vlog of me car shopping. I am looking for a new car to add on to the list of cars that we already do have, man. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys would like to see on the channel. Mostly want to get a content car. Fingers crossed for an M6, M5 maybe. I don't know. We gotta see. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you for watching this video. I hope it was a lot more jam-packed than the first video. But I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick walk around of the car. This car has been introduced to the channel, but I will introduce it once again because why the fuck not? Let's run this channel up to 20K. Like I said, I believe I introduced this to the channel. I actually did, yeah. Did exhaust video for y'all. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the list of videos I do have. Appreciate you guys for watching the channel. Hope you like this POV activity. Yeah, see you in the next one. Hands on my knee, college begin. Hop off a chick, and get rich.